storm's passed over there. And there it is again. I'm literally in the middle of the fucking storm. Shit. Yeah, it's all around me. I'm in the middle. So, yeah. My eyeballs screaming from that friggin' tree bark. Yeah, I'm going to get back in before, because when that storm hits over there, that's going to be a fucker. Okay, back into the oak woods. I mean, even if there were to be massive rainstorms, flash floods, it's not really going to affect me. If you're in a tent, yes, flooding is an issue. You have to dig trenches around yourself. But in a hammock, well, unless the flooding's over a metre deep, it's not really going to be an issue. Yeah. Back to snuggly buddy base.